Hello everybody, my name is Randy. I'm here at Solare Ristorante. The reason we're here is to let you know that this Saturday, on May 2nd, I can't believe it's May already. This Saturday, May 2nd, this amazing guy, put the phone over there, my friend, Executive Chef Filippo Piccini, we're going to be doing a really fun cooking class on Instagram Live, Solare Live, that's all about pesto. Yes, pesto. Pesto is an amazing, amazing sauce dish from Liguria. Anyways, you want to watch this Instagram Live, Solare Live, all about making the best pesto. Filippo has a connection with Genoa. He has a whole story to tell. And the amazing thing is, Americans think pesto is one thing. Filippo's going to show you that pesto is the other. Let's pass the camera to Executive Chef Filippo Piccini.
So yeah, there is a lot of saying about pesto. Pesto is a sauce. It's almost a butter you will see Saturday. Made out of garlic, but there is a specific garlic of the basil. Actually, this is here just to show off, but that's not the right one. We will have it. We're working with specialty to have the very right one, the Genovese basil. That's just an Italian basil. This pasta is a dry pasta. I will tell you more Saturday. Those are called gigli toscani, because actually pesto genovese is a collaboration between two regions, Tuscany, which I belong, and Genoa. And my heart is very close to Genoa. Part of my family live there, and I love that city. It's a fishmonger city that invented the most amazing vegetarian dish ever. And they use Parmigiano Reggiano, which is from Emilia. Parmigiano Reggiano, look at this. Look at this guy. This is 2018. You can see, May. Look at the grana. Parmigiano Reggiano is only 24 months aged. That's the only cheese you can use for a good pesto. And you should use the garlic, but not the whole garlic. Let's talk more about Saturday. The olive oil should be from Riviera Ligure. So the pine nuts are coming from Forte dei Marmi in Tuscany. And the rock salt, that is a fundamental. There is just a pinch, but it changes everything. It should be rock salt. You cannot use any salt. So there is a lot to talk about a simple, very simple sauce. I hope to see you Saturday.
What time on Saturday?
You decide.
11 o'clock on Saturday. Saturday, May 2nd. Executive Chef Filippo Piccini is going to teach us all about making pesto. But not just pesto. As you can see, pesto where the person cares deeply about the ingredients, about the history, and the love that it takes to blend them all together. Show the olive oil. This is not just olive oil. This is real olive oil.
That's why they put in a gold bowl.
These are not just pine nuts. These are serious pine nuts. And I'm not joking. Those pine nuts are rock star. I actually have a pizza I make with those pine nuts that are amazing. And finish off with the Maldon sauce, salt. This raw, like you said, only takes a little bit, but it makes all the difference. Put the focus back on Executive Chef Filippo Piccini. Join him 11 o'clock on Saturday, May 2nd. He will rock your world with pesto.
Ciao.
And not just that. Filippo, is there going to be a kit that everybody can get to help make it at home?
Yes, we're making a kit available. I'm working on it. For the basil, that is the last thing we're missing, but by tomorrow I will tell you more. So you will have all the right ingredients to put together the best amazing pesto you ever had on your life.
So the short story, this is a trailer for the short 30-minute movie that we call Filippo Piccini making Ligurian pesto. It's going to be a 30-minute cooking class this Saturday at Solare Live on 11 o'clock in the morning. Join us. Call us 619-270-96 if you'd like to get a kit. Give us a call. Ciao.
Chef, how many more?